What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. I am currently on my way to Jesse's house, or I'm just getting ready to leave my house to head to Jesse's house. Apparently we're gonna go possibly on another adventure today to look at something for his grandpa. If not, we're gonna go ahead and work on the truck, and I'm gonna try and get some new tires put on the Pink Mini so I can kind of turn it into a daily again. So I'm in the Pink Mini, gonna head drive down there, and I'll catch up with you guys when I get there. Alright guys, so we are, I got to Jesse's, he unloaded his car, we're on our way to get tires. He's running on a spare, because when he went to go check on tires for me the other day, he ended up catching a flat in one of his, and he looked at the spare before he went to drive it to this, and realized the spare's low, so we're going kind of slow, and then I just need new tires for my car. But well, everything else we get to the tire shop. There you go. No, it's windy. Finally got tires put on it. Alignment's off a little bit.
Give me that cup.
I know you hear you fine on that, come in there and mess. Jerry pick up line if you was mine. He like niggas to set it out at different tries. Invest in time, speak to some regret. Girl, I know how I feel. But I understand the work. If you never had the bag, you wouldn't appreciate it.
I'm so up the party.
Alright guys, so we kind of pushed the truck half out of here. I hit it with the pressure washer. Already simple greened everything.
Okay, I be putting in work. Since you see me in it, and the thing that you stay on, I'm the reason I'm eating. I can never take myself. And I'm ready to touch it, touching materialistic.
It looks like it's working quite a bit on that crossbumper.
Yeah, I saw some chunks of shit flying off right now.
There's a lot of silver on there now. Yeah, I don't know what to do about that engine with the firewall.
It's kind of like caked on there. It's probably like old grease built up, and so we're gonna have to figure out something to get that off.
Gio, stay out of it. There guys, next process of the update. Most of the front end's off completely, so we can refinish everything.
I swear it's gonna be just a driver.
Yeah, it's gonna be a show car by the time we're done. So we're just Pulled stuff off, realizing you need some new chrome trim. Trying to polish the headlight buckets and paint them. Got the grill, front supports off. All this to get the fenders and the fender liners out. But it's getting cleaned up.
What'd you do?
Coming apart and apart and apart and apart and apart.
You fell? You hit your car?
Yeah.
Are you okay?
So I had to go to the store real quick and came back. They've got one side off. Lots of room. Just playing with sandpaper. I just like how it smokes out the backside.
Oh yeah.
We're doing great.
Aren't we, Jeff?
Yeah, sure. Uh-huh. I'll burn my legs and my face. I'm about halfway through. You have a screwdriver and a hammer.
So we're trying to grind this bolt off because clip that. But it snapped off, so now it just spins. We can't get the fender liner off, and it's one bolt holding the fender liner on so we can paint it.
Let's be fair, we're like halfway through it.
This is why you don't give me power tools.
Or Mini Coopers, apparently.
Fuck off.
Just to clarify, he parked my car by his front door in a non-parking spot. So they let him drive it to go get pizza. All in the driveway spot. Now we're just wire wheeling what's left of the engine bay. Got all the fenders apart. Dash panels. Fenders and fender liners. So we can prep everything for paint. Hopefully paint tomorrow. Alright guys, we are headed to day 2 of working on Jesse's truck. We should be doing a bunch of the painting today. We prepped everything yesterday, took everything apart. And I guess today is going to be painting day, so I'm going to go down and help him with that.
Black stripe, yellow paint. Them niggas scared of it, but them hoes ain't. Soon as I hit the club, I get them hoes face. Pedal once, make the floor shake. Sway inside, my engine roaring. It's the big boy, you know what I paid for it. And I got the pedal to the metal. Got you niggas checking game, I'm falling out at the level. Hear them haters talk, but there's nothing you can tell them. Just made $1 million, got another $1 million on my schedule. No love for a nigga breaking hearts. No keys, push to start. Yeah.
And then on the side yard, we got the fender liners already done. Satin black. And we're getting a little dusty just sitting on the side. And then we've got another front piece just kind of hanging. Spraying it the same, I think it's like satin black. The rest of everything else we're painting right now. So everything will kind of blend together.